Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the man who shaped modern Iran. What does it take to lead one of the world's most influential and controversial nations for more than 3 decades? Today, we're exploring the life and legacy of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the man who served as Iran's supreme leader from 1989 until his death in 2026. Loved by supporters, criticized by opponents, his leadership left a lasting impact on Iran, the Middle East, and global politics. This documentary examines his life, rise to power, and the legacy he left behind. Ali Hosseini Khamenei was born on April 19, 1939, in the holy city of Mashhad, Iran. Raised in a religious family, he devoted much of his youth to Islamic studies and became deeply interested in political and religious thought. During the 1960s and 1970s, he opposed the rule of Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi. Because of his political activities, he was arrested several times before the Iranian Revolution. In 1979, the Iranian Revolution overthrew the monarchy and established the Islamic Republic under Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini. Khamenei quickly became one of the country's leading political and religious figures. He held several important positions, including serving as Iran's president from 1981 to 1989. Following Ayatollah Khomeini's death in 1989, Ali Khamenei was selected as Iran's supreme leader. As supreme leader, he became the country's highest authority, with significant influence over the armed forces, national security, the judiciary, and key aspects of foreign policy. His decisions shaped Iran's direction for more than 35 years. During Khamenei's leadership, Iran expanded its scientific research, missile capabilities, and regional influence. At the same time, the country faced international sanctions, economic challenges, and ongoing tensions with the United States and several regional powers. Supporters viewed him as a defender of Iran's independence, sovereignty, and revolutionary ideals. Critics argued that his leadership placed limits on political freedoms and contributed to prolonged international disputes. Understanding both perspectives is essential to understanding his role in modern history. Khamenei's policies influenced conflicts and diplomacy across the Middle East. Iran maintained relationships with regional allies, while also facing confrontation with countries such as the United States and Israel over issues including Iran's nuclear program and regional security. These developments made Iran a central player in international affairs throughout his leadership. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei's legacy continues to be debated around the world. To some, he was a symbol of resistance and national independence. To others, he represented an era of political restrictions and confrontation with the international community. Regardless of perspective, his influence on Iran and the Middle East remains one of the defining stories of modern history. Thank you for watching. If you found this documentary informative, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next documentary.